Go home happy with the 2016 Audi SQ5. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This premium SQ5 delivers an inspired blend of performance, comfort, and family-friendly practicality. Exhilarating power and responsiveness, a refined, luxurious interior, and all-weather capability make this well-built SUV ideal for your lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, power liftgate, premium sound system, heated front seat, tire pressure monitoring system. Enjoy the rewards of higher performance in this beautifully designed SQ5. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.